you can create customized gradients in Photoshop with a simple but powerful technique. First, I'm going to create an adjustment layer to darken and slightly saturate the image in preparation for a localized vignetting effect. Now, the reflected gradient does a great job with cases like this. You'll note, as I hold the Option key and click on the mask to see it, that it's created a set of transitions that are uniform wherever you draw it. You can draw it in short, tight transitions or long, smooth transitions, and wherever you place the cursor, you're drawing from your foreground to your background color. You move it at almost any angle. Now, what if you wanted non-uniform transitions? Well, here I'm going to hold the Option and Delete keys to fill it with my foreground color and use the Linear Gradient tool, changing its preset from foreground to background to foreground to transparent, a really useful option. Now, painting with white as my foreground color, I can create a short transition that affects the left less and a long transition that affects the image more to the right, creating a non-uniform gradient that can be precisely controlled. I can customize it exactly the way that I'd like it. You can come in and continue to layer up multiple gradients, one on top of the other, to create very complex effects. There's almost no limit to how far you can go. Another thing to consider is using multiple gradient tools in combination with one another. Here's a linear gradient. And then moving to the radial gradient, I'll come in and holding the Option key, I want to see the image so I can precisely register this radial gradient with this area of the image. Now I've created this very complex gradient from two different gradient tools. When in doubt, I recommend you keep it simple. But when you need this kind of sophistication and power, these tools are there for you. If you find this technique useful, pass it forward, share this video, and teach this technique to others.